Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. And in today's video I wanted to create this very easy and simple green eyes, and this is a very appropriate look for Eid or any festive occasion. I have kept this makeup look very easy and self-doable. So if you want to know how I created this look, so keep watching, and before that please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. I've already done my eyebrows and I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And now for primer, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer, putting it on my T-zone so that there is no oiliness throughout the day. To color correct any dark circles and dark spots, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange, and as always I will be putting it on my dark circles and my acne spots. I will be smudging it with a smudger brush, and then I will be setting it with just a very little loose powder. In today's video I will be testing out the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and this foundation is super matte guys. If you have a dry skin, then you must stay away from this foundation, or you must apply a good moisturizer. Although the foundation has medium to full coverage, but it dries down super quick, so you have to work really fast. But overall I really like the finish of the foundation, and I'm in the shade Sand. In the later part of the video you will also notice that I don't set this foundation because it dries down super matte. So it's a really good thing, and it is a super good foundation for oily skin girls. For concealing and highlighting, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, and I will be putting it under my eyes, on my temple, on my nose and on my jawline, so that this face looks really highlighted and not flat. And then I'm blending it with the PAC Ultimate Sponge. I really love this concealer guys because it has medium to full coverage. I will be also priming my eyelids because today I'm doing a very easy eye look. And I will be setting it with the PAC Translucent Powder, and I'm just setting my under eyes and not my whole face today. For eyeshadow today I will be using the Morphe 39A palette, and I will be using the shade Transitional, and I will be putting it in my transition with the help of a blending brush. Using windshield wiping motions, I will be just putting the color and building it very slowly. It's very easy guys, as you can see. Just build the color to the intensity you may like. Now I'm using the shade Pine with the flat shader brush, and I'm just putting it on my eyelids, and I'm building the color very slowly to the intensity I like. It is very easy eye look guys. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I will use the same blending brush and I will just blend out the outer corners. And next I will be using the shade Inspire with the fingers, and this will make sure that we bring back the festivity. It will look like you have put a lot of effort, but it is so easy guys, as you can see. Now I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm creating a winged liner. If you want to see a detailed video, please go ahead on the link above. Now I'm just using a brown eyeshadow from the same palette with this flat brush, and I will be using in my lower lash line. To brighten and open up my eyes, I'm using the PAC Kohl in the shade Skin. This will brighten and open up my eyes very nicely. For falsies today I'm using the M75 lashes from PAC, and I'm coating my upper and bottom lashes with the Essence Lash Paradise Mascara. For contouring, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour, and I'm using the brown shade to chisel out my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and my jawline. To make my nose look slimmer, I'm contouring with a smaller brush using the same palette. For For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. As you can see, I've already hit the pan and I really love this blush, guys. For the lips, I will be lining my lips using the Incolorlip liner first. And then I will be using the PAC Retro Matte Lip Gloss. It's not a lip gloss, guys, it's a liquid lipstick. It dries down super matte and I really like this color. For setting my face, I'm using the PAC Micro Mist. It's a really nice spray, guys. It locks your makeup and also creates a very dewy look on your face. For highlighter, today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. And I'm using a highlighter brush to put on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my eyebrows and on my nose. Because it's a festival of Eid, guys, you want that you should highlight from the gods. So this highlighter is really nice. For this video, I decided to wear this yellow and pink with a hint of green outfit. It looks really beautiful, especially on the special occasion of Eid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye.